Uncharted.
Top 10 helicopter shots by MS Dhoni.
It's now Dhoni, you can see. Get underneath it. And a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting.
Shot. There it is, he's standing deep in the crease and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow.
Oh, that helicopter is out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd.
Oh, look at the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it, he knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was hit up the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out, but how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost, it's gone out off the ground.
That was right coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watching it every time of the week. Brilliant.
Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Goes again. Bottom and over one. Second six.
Look at the helicopter, look at the bottom. Wonderful shot.
And work with the wrist, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground.
Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
And yeah, no mistake. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow.
This time, let's have a look at the shot.